My name is Cyndy Knight. I am the proud mother of 3 daughters. I have a senior in Wahai and I have 2 children at Pioneer Middle School. Our particular bond that is being introduced this year is very exciting to me as both a mother that has participated in PTA at Green Park Elementary School. On the Green Park Elementary School leadership, we had an opportunity to do a regional meeting here at Wahai. At that meeting, we had a mother in a wheelchair. That mother needed to use the restroom and had difficulty finding a restroom that would fit her wheelchair. There is not one that's accessible in the commons area. We needed to find someone that was working the grounds that day to unlock the locker room for her to access a restroom. I was particularly excited about this new bond because the ADA upgrades that are going to be made to our schools. All 3 schools that are going to be receiving upgrades were built prior to the IDEA Act. The IDEA Act provided a free and appropriate public education for individuals with disabilities. All 3 of these schools were not built with accessibility in mind. This bond measure is going to build schools that our students can access, everyone can access. Please vote. If you need more information, these brochures have been widely distributed. They're incredibly transparent in their information and you can find them at the district office. Please contact the superintendent if you have any questions. Thank you.